Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope our all teachers and younger brothers and sisters as well as my old friends are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. And Alhamdulillah, I'm super califragilisticexpialidocious. Whatever. Uh, if I say something about our hometown, then maximum student gets some information about it. Because we are born Silet. Silet is our motherland and we have our own language. This is Sileti language. There are a number of school, college, and market shop, etc. available in our hometown. Like our school, Al Muslim School and College, Blue Ward, Starlighter. There are a number of expensive hotel, restaurant, and grand resort are available in our hometown, like Grand Silet, Unimart, Nurjahan, etc. There are a number of famous and celebrity persons who was born in our hometown, like Hassan Raja, Salman Shah, as well as our Ripon Sir, etc. There are a number of people are very well educated, like our all teachers, as well as there are a number of people are very kind, helpful, polite, humble. It is different. Some people are arrogant, some people might, some people check some people gangster, but most of the people are very kind and helpful. And people in our country say Sylhet is second London. I don't know at that time who feel what, but to be honest, at that time I really feel proud because my born place is Sylhet. I born in Sylhet. So finally we can say that Sylhet means London, London means Sylhet. So I don't want to make my speech any long. So thank you.